Welcome to the future of finance. The world of finance is evolving at lightning speed. A groundbreaking era of digital currencies is upon us. Cryptocurrency is revolutionizing how we transact and invest. Picture a world without banks, where you have full control over your money. This is the promise of crypto, a decentralized system fortified by cryptography, ensuring transparency and security. Free from traditional financial institutions, cryptocurrency empowers you. Join us on this thrilling journey, exploring market trends and investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, mastering cryptocurrency is essential. Get ready to unlock the potential of this financial revolution and embrace a world of endless possibilities, where we ignite the spark of financial freedom and empower you to take control of your future. Today, we explore an electrifying question. Is crypto the key to unlocking financial freedom in 2024? Join us as we delve into the possibilities and inspire you to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Cryptocurrency exchanges are your gateway to the thrilling world of digital currencies. Choosing the right exchange can make your trading journey smooth and secure. Look for top-notch security, reasonable fees, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and an intuitive user interface. Centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase offer a seamless experience and high liquidity, making them perfect for beginners. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and SushiSwap give you unparalleled privacy and control over your funds. Dive deep into research and compare different exchanges to find your perfect match. When you create an account, fortify it with strong security measures like two-factor authentication. Stay vigilant against phishing scams and stick to reputable exchanges. And always remember, for ultimate protection, store your cryptocurrency in a secure hardware wallet. Your digital assets deserve the best security. In the thrilling world of cryptocurrency, security is your shield. These digital treasures are targets for hackers and thieves, but you have the power to protect them. Take charge and secure your investments. Embrace the strength of hardware wallets. These physical guardians keep your private keys offline, offering unmatched security. Software wallets, whether on your desktop, mobile, or online, strike a perfect balance between convenience and protection. Choose only the most reputable wallet providers. Fortify your defenses with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Stay vigilant against phishing scams and suspicious links. Remember, your private keys are your secret weapon. Never share them. Keep your software and devices fortified with the latest security updates. By prioritizing security, you stand tall against threats, ensuring your valuable cryptocurrency assets remain safe and sound. Stay secure, stay empowered. The cryptocurrency landscape is a thrilling frontier, constantly evolving with groundbreaking technological advancements and surging adoption. Several dynamic trends are shaping the future of this exhilarating industry. Decentralized finance is on the rise, revolutionizing traditional financial services by eliminating intermediaries and empowering individuals. Non-fungible tokens are taking the world by storm, transforming digital ownership and unlocking new realms of art, collectibles, and gaming. The metaverse, a virtual universe built on blockchain technology, is a hotbed of innovation and growth, redefining how we interact and create. As governments and institutions delve into central bank digital currencies, they are paving the way for a new era in the future of money. The crypto industry stands on the brink of monumental disruption and transformation, offering boundless opportunities for those ready to embrace this technological revolution. The world of cryptocurrency is brimming with endless possibilities. From investing in powerhouses like Bitcoin and Ethereum to diving into the vast ocean of altcoins, there are boundless opportunities for everyone. Approach this thrilling market with curiosity and a hunger for knowledge. Stay ahead of the curve, conduct thorough research, and invest wisely. Embrace the transformative potential of this financial revolution and kickstart your journey into the future of finance. The crypto world is yours to explore. As you dive deeper into this dynamic space, remember that this is just the beginning. The future of finance is unfolding, and you have the chance to be a trailblazer. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned and stay informed.